everyone, so I'm finally here with a twist out tutorial. It's been a while and I know a lot of you have been expecting this, so here it is. And the first thing I do is just section my hair. So once I'm ready with my first section of hair to do a twist with, I add the product. The products I'm using this time are the Shea Moisture JBCO Leave-In and the JBCO Styling Lotion. I do tend to add quite a lot of product just so that the twists don't dry out and so that the twist out lasts an entire week. I then split the starting section into two and simply just twist them round each other. When twisting, you want to make sure that the twists are done quite tightly. This will ensure that all the moisture stays into the twist and that the twist doesn't unravel. Also, the tighter the twist, the tighter the curl, the looser the twist, the looser the curl. That's just one thing to remember. This is a close-up of me just showing you how tightly I twist mine. You don't have to do it this tightly, but I just do that so that I know that the twist will not unravel. And this is what it looks like when it's finished. I had about 10 twists on each side of my head. All you have to do now is leave the twists to dry. I left mine to dry for about 16 hours and this is how they look. When I'm unravelling my twists, I like to use some argan oil. I bought this in Morocco, but any oil is fine, and this just reduces the amount of frizz that occurs when you're unravelling your twist. When you're unravelling your twists, make sure you unravel from the bottom up to the top. Don't try and be fast about it because you just end up with a whole bunch of frizz. Be really careful and make sure that like this, you're pulling your hair slightly and then finding where the twist separates naturally and then pulling it apart. Don't try and pull strands of hair that aren't separating naturally from each other. After that, I'm just going to continue with the rest of my hair. This is the last strand that I did, and as you can see, I'm still doing the same technique, pulling on my hair slightly and then finding where the twists naturally separate. Once all the twists are separated, what I like to do is go in and pick my hair. I'm just using a wide tooth comb because I don't have an afro pick, so this is fine, and I just do that until I get my desired look. Once you've picked all of your hair out, just have a little faff around with your hair, try and figure out where you want your part, and that is the job done. It is really simple, it's not as difficult as people make it out to be. So I hope this tutorial helped and I will see you in my next video. Bye!